Hello, I'm Katie with WTI, and I want to share this gorgeous mirror from WINGSTEC. Now, it is such a statement piece as it is 32 inches with a black frame. I love how it sits flush against the wall. It's simple, but so high quality. It really just draws the eyes almost like an art piece. Being so large, it also makes the area itself feel larger. I love the black finish. It really goes with everything. I don't have to worry about it not matching if I change my furniture or I repaint the walls. And it was really packaged well when it arrived, so it wasn't damaged at all, and it was very easy to install. I also appreciate that it's made of brushed aluminum, which is rust resistant. I know I will have this mirror for a long time. This is also a really great housewarming gift for friends and family. So now you know, try it for yourself. And that is my point of view.